Warning, you might eat parasites for lunch today. Always fully cook your meat. You never know what might be lurking in that juicy steak or that delicious sushi roll. Our bodies are like tiny cities for parasites. These microscopic invaders can set up shop in various parts of our anatomy, turning our bodies into their personal playgrounds. Did you know that there are more than 1,000 different parasites that can invade our bodies like aliens? From the common to the rare, these parasites come in all shapes and sizes, each with their own unique way of surviving and thriving inside us. Let's start with the classic tapeworms. These guys can grow as long as your high school prom limo. They latch onto your intestines and can live there for years, silently siphoning off nutrients from your meals. Imagine having a creature that eats half your food in your intestines. You might feel constantly hungry or experience unexplained weight loss, all because of this sneaky parasite. Next up, the microscopic troublemakers, protozoa. These single-celled organisms are tiny but mighty, capable of causing serious diseases. These tiny critters can cause diseases like malaria and eat your nasal cavity away, causing a full face reconstruction. Malaria alone affects millions of people worldwide, leading to severe illness and even death. They are also pros at hiding from your immune system. By evading detection, they can continue to wreak havoc on your body without being stopped. Oh, and don't forget about lice. There was always that kid that came to school to share them with the class. These tiny insects can cause intense itching and discomfort, making it hard to focus on anything else. These little pests love to make a home on your scalp, feasting on your blood like a vampire. They lay eggs or nits, which can be difficult to remove, leading to a persistent infestation. But not all parasites are bad news. Some play a crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being. Some, like the gut bacteria, actually help us digest food. These beneficial microbes aid in breaking down complex carbohydrates and synthesizing essential vitamins. Oh, so it's a love-hate relationship, sir. Remember, like a first lover? They can be both helpful and harmful, depending on the circumstances. And now you know a bit more about your uninvited guests, like your one friend that would go into your refrigerator and eat everything. These parasites can be a nuisance, but understanding them is the first step to protecting yourself. Stay curious and stay healthy. Keep learning about the world around you, and take steps to maintain your health and well-being.